everybody. Welcome back to Pixie's Live. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Pixie Live. It's such a pleasure to be here with you again. My name is Mashle. If you have been here before, then you already know the vibe. If you're new, welcome to the magic. Welcome to the energy. Welcome to the fairy kingdom that we're building one live stream at a time. But before we get started, guys, I just want to share the live link. So just give me a sec. Give me a sec. Share this live with everybody. Just give me a sec so I can share the live. Just sharing the live right now so that you guys can join. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, guys, there we go. Hopefully, more people will join the live. Anyways, let's get started. So yeah, guys, it's such a pleasure to be here with you again. My name is Mashle. If you've been here before, then you already know the vibe. If you're new, welcome to the magic. Welcome to the energy. Welcome to the fairy kingdom that we're building one live stream at a time. So right now, if I want you to take a moment right now, wherever you are, maybe you're watching on your phone, maybe you're at work, maybe you're chilling at home, just take a breath and settle in, because today we are about to go deep. We have a lot to talk about, and I'm going to take my time with it today. Today's live is an experience. So yeah, today's live is going to be an experience, guys, and I'm so happy that y'all are here, supporting the community, engaging, joining the lives. I really appreciate it. Then one more thing, if there are any technical issues, if y'all can't hear me, can't see me, just let me know down below in the chat so that I can sort out any technical issues that we do have. So yeah, guess let's get right into it. So before we begin, just let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from today. Just drop your city or country. I love watching the Pixie community light up the map, guys. So yeah, just let me know where you're from, where you're joining in from, where you're watching from. Could be your city, your country, yeah, your continent, Just let me know what time it is, where you are right now, Yeah, let's just get to gel in with one another. And yeah, guys, let's get right into it. Ooh, SA. I'm from SA. I love to see that. I love to see it. SA, yes, let's go Pixie. Yes, guys, I love to see the vibes. Just drop below in the chat which city, which country, which continent, anything that you can do, really. Basically, +9, yes, it is. Every single day we're here. Yes, it is. But yeah, I just love to see engagement, guys. Let's keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Ooh, Precious is from Nigeria. We love to see it. We love to see it. Yes. Okay, Precious from Nigeria. Luje from SA. love to see everybody just coming in from all over. Like that's so beautiful. Okay, guys. I think we can get started. You know, yeah, it's just really beautiful just getting to know where you guys are from. Love seeing the global fairy family, and let's begin. So, today we're just basically gonna start with what's happening in the markets right now, and I want to give you a perspective that you may have not heard yet. Yeah. So, because a lot of people online are saying that the market's down, Bitcoin is dragging, Solana's pulling back, but that's only the surface layer. What's truly happening is a foundational shift. So basically, think of it like the tide pulling back before a massive wave. So right now, we are witnessing something the early days of crypto never had. So governments are paying attention, banks testing tokenization, crypto companies raising capital quietly behind the scenes, and developers treating blockchain like actual infrastructure instead of hype. And when that's happening, the whole market restructures itself. So here's the part that most people don't realize is that during these reconstructing phases, meme coins evolve the fastest, guys, and that's why Pixie is perfectly positioned because whenever the market resets, the tokens with identity, the tokens with law, the tokens with personality, those are the tokens people emotionally return to when the run begins again. And guess which token has all those lovely things right here. Pixie is where it's at, guys. Pixie is where it's at. Drop Pixie in the chat if you are with me. Yes, let's go. Drop Pixie in the chat, guys. If y'all are with me, still following the live, you know. Pixie to the moon, of course. Elijah, Pixie to the moon. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. So yeah, guys, now let's just talk about tokenization. That's the buzzword of the year, but I want to slow this down and really explain what it means because it affects every project, including Pixie. So tokenization is basically the process of taking real world assets, things like real estate, stocks, bond, art, and turning them into digital tokens that live on a blockchain. And you know how today, if you want to buy a piece of a building or share of a private company or a bond, it takes days of paperwork, confirmations, signatures. Wow. Tokenization eliminates that. It basically turns real assets into something you can buy and sell as easily as a meme coin. So that's where the future of the financial world is heading into. And guess which chain is leading the race, guys? Take a guess. Pop in the chat. Which chain is leading the race? Let me see. If y'all got anything? Okay. I'm just going to say it. So guys, the chain that's leading the race is Solana, and Solana has fast transactions, low fees, high volume, perfect environment for tokenized assets. And that's what puts Pixie in a very unique position because Pixie lives on the same chain that institutions, banks, and financial systems are adopting. So think about that for a second. Pixie started as a tiny fairy hidden on Bitcoin's old website, and now she's growing on the chain that may end up hosting the world's biggest economy. That's literally so iconic and very powerful, in my opinion. I don't know what y'all think, but iconic. Literally iconic. But yeah, right now, let's dive and take a moment to zoom in on the latest developments around the world because every week something new shapes the future of crypto. So I don't know if y'all want to hear some world news, but like let me just keep y'all updated. Right now, just these are just some of the things that I've read up recently. So, Hong Kong is pushing forward with regulatory frameworks for tokenization. And this is huge because Hong Kong acts as a bridge between Western finance and Asia's tech markets. And then some news with China. China's playing a more cautious game, cracking down on unregistered tokenization experiments. And basically, this tells us why they're taking this seriously. They are watching, guys. They are watching. Then, meanwhile, European countries are quietly rolling out initiatives for blockchain verified financial instruments. You don't do that unless you're preparing for something big. And then, this is just a brief, what's happening around the world. Yeah, guys, because it does affect the markets. So, yeah, and last but not least, in the US, the conversation isn't about banning crypto anymore, but it's about regulating it. And that shift from fear to structure is the beginning of long term stability. And basically, through all of this, meme tokens continue thriving because in times of uncertainty, people gravitate toward community and culture. And guess who's rooted in that? Basically, Pixie is rooted in culture, she's rooted in history, she's rooted in the origin of Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, just let me know what you think about what's happening around the world. If you guys have any news that you would like the community to know about or you've read about, you could for sure just pop it in the chat. We'd love to know what's going on around the world. It's very important as every decision, everything that happens really does affect, where coins are going and basically where the market is headed towards too. So yeah. Super. All right, what's okay. I see. So yeah, guys, that's just like a brief of like what's happening and yeah, all of that. So yeah, now basically, for those of you who are new to Pixie and don't know what Pixie is, I'm gonna take you through the full origin story of Pixie, slowly and in detail. So yeah, because it deserves to be told properly, guys. So now, basically, I want you to picture this, right? With this picture of Pixie and the story, right? So picture this, it's the early days of Bitcoin and there's no Twitter, there are no influencers, no exchanges, no meme coins, just a website, which is bitcoin.org. And then, the creators of Bitcoin decided to hide a tiny Easter egg, little fairy behind the logo. And if you clicked the Bitcoin logo, she appeared. Guys, I actually want to show you, like, if you guys haven't checked it out, like, on the website, you can see our fairy there. I'm going to show you now. Like, it's so cool. Like, it's literally the coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay, there we go. I'm going to share my screen now so I can show you what we're talking about. Okay, wait, let me share my screen. I'm so excited. Every single time I do it, it's like the coolest thing. But anyways, okay, I hope you guys can see my screen. Okay, y'all can see the screen, right? Type yes in the chat if you can see the screen. So that I know y'all, like everything's working perfectly. Or like you can put like a heart if it's like working. If you guys can see the screen. Okay, I'm just gonna assume everybody can see my screen right now. So like if you tap on the logo, like Pixie pops up. Like it's the coolest thing ever. Literally, she literally pops out like on the actual website. But anyways, yeah, just there was something cool I wanted to show you guys. Uh, yeah. Okay, so basically, yeah, yeah. If you click on the logo, like she appears, she appeared, and she still appears to this day. And she didn't have a name, she didn't have a community, she didn't have a purpose yet, but she was there, like right at the beginning. She represented the playfulness, the imagination, the magic of something new being born. And then, like many things in the early internet culture, she faded. Buried in old website archives, forgotten by time. But someone rediscovered her. A developer found this original fairy, this hidden character from the dawn of crypto, and said she deserves a second life, guys. And basically, that rebirth happened on Solana, the chain of speed, creativity, and modern Web3 culture. That's the magic of Pixie, guys. She isn't just a new invention, she is a restored relic, a revived icon, a discovered piece of Bitcoin history brought back to life. Like, isn't that beautiful? Like, literally, that a forgotten symbol from way back a decade ago, which is 2009, is getting a chance to become the face of a new meme movement. Like, so cool. It's literally so cool. Like, yes, yes, guys, it's the coolest thing ever. Like, she literally is revived, you know, spick and span, brand new off the bat. That's our girl Pixie, guys. For sure. Yeah, man, it's just such a beautiful thing. But anyways, let's talk about other projects because we don't just live in one bubble. Understanding the larger meme ecosystem helps us understand where Pixie fits within the whole ecosystem. So yeah, I want us to basically zoom out and just look at other meme projects. So yeah, basically I don't know if y'all know Bonk, but Bonk continues its dominance, infrastructure, branding, partnerships. Bonk proved that meme coins can become ecosystems. And then with WIF, Dog with Fed is still one of the strongest cultural symbols on Solana. It's all culture, all identity, and people love it. And then with Soul Pep, like Pep energy on Pixie has exploded, guys. It just shows that old meme archetypes can be reborn on new chains. And then last but not least, Bonks. It's basically tapping into engagement farming and tokenized liquidity. Very smart. Now, let me connect this back to Pixie because I'm sure y'all probably wondering why is she telling us about these other projects. We don't care. We just want our girl Pixie. I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking something here. Let me cook. Basically, let me show you how this all connects back to Pixie. Because when you look at all these successful projects, they all share one thing. They all share one thing, guys. They share, okay, they basically share, first things first, identity. They all share identity. So, a hat, a dog face, a meme frog, a character, story. And now, with that identity of the other projects, let's look at Pixie. Basically, she has everything those projects have, plus something that they don't. This is what makes Pixie a beauty, something special, something unique, something that the market has never seen. She has history, she has origin, she has legacy, and she comes from Bitcoin, not as a parody, not as a joke, but as a symbol hidden behind hidden by early developers themselves, guys. So yeah, Pixie isn't just trying to imitate success. She is basically be resurrecting, like she is resurrecting an OG symbol and bringing it into Web 3. So yeah, Chad, I would just want to ask you guys something real quick. If Pixie could collaborate with any project and let's say it does happen, what project would you choose? Just want to hear where your guys' minds are at, your thoughts. Um, if she could, any project that she could collaborate with. Let's hear your thoughts. Just give it to me in the chat. Give it to me, give it to me. We can make things happen because at the end of the day, this community is about you guys, and Pixie is built on community. So we need to make sure that community wins, community gets what community wants. So yeah. Just let me know like what projects would you like Pixie to collaborate with, just your opinions and where the community is at. Just pop it in the chat if y'all have any ideas or anything. So yeah. Just let me know anything. I don't really see anything. But yeah, I'm sure you guys have a lot of ideas. Maybe you guys are just shy to speak or type it in the chat. If you guys are shy, it's okay. Like, it's really, really okay. Okay, I see a question here. Chinedana. Oh, Chinedana is asking, are you one of the developers? Great question. Unfortunately, sadly not. I am just the host of our YouTube live. So yes, like I host the YouTube lives, guys, but I am part of the Pixie team though. Yeah, I am part of the Pixie team, but I'm basically the host of our YouTube lives that we do have every single day at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, sharp. So yeah, y'all see me. You guys will see me every single day here, right here on YouTube, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, sharp, guys. So yeah, I'm the host. And for those of you who don't know me, again, my name is Mashe. And for those of you who are joining, I am the host of the YouTube live. So yeah, 2 p.m. it's Eastern Time, sharp, every single day. We are right here. Talking about our girl Pixie. So yeah, I hope that answered your question, Chinedana. Forgive me if I said your name wrong. Please, please, please forgive me. Like, yeah. But yeah, I hope that answered your question. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, do just pop in the chat and I'll try my best to basically answer your guys' questions as best as I can. So just pop in the chat if y'all have any questions for me and I'll answer them. Anyways, now let's talk about strategy because a smart community is a strong community. So, basically I want to talk about strategy considering how Pixie is still an early project and there are three major risks early project faces. So the first risk is liquidity risk, regulatory risk, and execution risk. So let me break them down simply for you guys. Pardon me. So first things first, with liquidity risk, and this is for those of you who are, new to buying any meme coins, if you don't really know how everything works and what to consider. Yeah, I'm just educating those of y'all who are new and really don't have an idea of anything. But anyways, so basically liquidity risk, guys, is if the market is shaky and then small caps can move quickly, up fast, down fast. This is why you never invest more than you can afford to lose. And then secondly, there is regulatory risk, which is as basically as governments shape blockchain rules, compliance matters. So the good news is Pixie is simple, no complex promises, no security issues. It's all just based purely on culture, which is you, the community. Then, last but not least, there is execution risk. So basically, that what that means is that projects only grow if the community builds. So the memes, the lore, the art, the presence, that's where Pixie shines because our community is creative. So here's the smartest long-term strategy for any of you who are holding Pixie right now or have bought, Pixie. Hold a portion long term, keep some liquid for the future, engage lightly, just stay updated in our communities. And last but not least, never panic when the markets wobble because markets always wobble before big moves. So, guys, do not panic. I know right now there's a lot of chaos going on. Just stay calm. It's all good. It's all good. Like, it's really all good. Yeah, it's all good. Um, Anyways, now let's look forward. Where do we see Pixie in the future? 6 months, a year. So basically, where we see Pixie is that, Pixie is a character brand. She is a collaborative mascot, soon a gameable identity, cultural figure linked to the history of crypto itself. So, as the tokenization grows, companies will look for recognizable symbols that represent the human side of Web3, and Pixie fits that perfectly, guys. So, she's friendly, she's magical, she's nostalgic, she's fun, and above all, she has a verified connection to Bitcoin's origin. So yeah, just basically just imagine this, Pixie NFTs giving access to tokenized platforms, Pixie merch becoming a Solana staple, Pixie appearing in collaborative art drops, animated shorts, meme packs, and partnerships. And some of these things that I've just listed right now is already happening. We already have started doing, partnerships, animated shorts as well. If you do check out our YouTube channel, you will see some, shorts here and there. And, that's basically the beauty of early projects. They can become anything, literally anything. And Pixie, she is built for expansion, and she is built on community, which is you. You watching right here, right now, you are the community. So she is basically built around everyone that is within the community. Yeah, guys. Let me check out the chat. Um, does the project have a burn? Have a burn? Yeah, I'm not too sure how to answer that. Are there any contests holding? No. Well, we do have spaces on our X. We do have like giveaways on our X spaces. So if you do join our X spaces, let me actually pop the link below. We do have giveaways there that you guys can join. I'm gonna pop our X in the chat. Just wanna Okay, guys, so I just put the link to our X. If for any of you guys here, please do follow our X page on X so that you are updated on the latest things that are happening within the space and the community, as well as we have a Telegram community as well. Let me also pop that in the chat for y'all. Let me just get the link so you guys can join the Telegram family as well. Pop that in the chat as well. So this is our Telegram community. You can also be up to date with the latest things that are happening within our community, as well as Pixie. Yeah, guys, I don't know if I did pop our website as well in the chat so that you also have that. I want to share my screen. So for any of you who are new here, if you guys are looking to holding, buying Pixie, basically this is our website. Like our website literally makes everything easy for you guys. Like you can buy Pixie there, view the charts, join our X community, join our Telegram community, as well as our link tree is there as well. Let me just copy this so that you guys have access to it. You can check it out. Okay, so the link that I just put right now is the link to our website. So I want to share my screen so that I can show you guys how the website looks. Okay, there we go. For those of you who are new, yeah. So basically, guys, this is our Pixie website. As you can see, you meet our fairy, Pixie. Yeah, you get the origin story, born in 2009, reborn on Solana in 2025, everything that I did speak about earlier on. And then for those of you who are looking to invest, you can just click right here and then view the chart. You can click right here and then join our X community, which is the link that I did paste in the chat. You can click it on our website as well. Join the Telegram family. You can click that on our website as well. And then we also have a link tree. So, and then basically this is proof that Pixie is the OG. This is what I demonstrated to you guys earlier on, where I went on the Bitcoin website and like clicked on the icon basically, and then Pixie showed up. So you can also like our website basically also gives you steps to do that as well. And then you can also just read up, basically you can read about Pixie and where she's from, her origins. Yeah, guys, there's so much that is on our website. So I do recommend that you do check it out if you are new to the community, as well as if you have been here and been, our OG day one, do check out our website if you have not yet. So yeah, basically, why Pixie? She's the OG mascot energy, community first. Yeah, just everything we stand for, guys. So yeah, please check out the website. Like it's really, really cool. Really, really cool. Do you guys have any questions? Anything y'all like me to explain? Do pop in the chat. Do we have any partnerships? Well, yes. Yes. We do. Yes, we do. So basically, all our latest updates, guys, is on our X. So if you do check out our X, you will see all the latest updates for our partnerships, right? Yeah, let me just show you guys our X. Okay, I just want to share my screen so that I can. Oh, it's already sharing. Okay, it's already sharing. Basically, we've partnered with Soul Unchained. Yes, that's one of the partnerships we have, and it's on our X website, guys. So do check it out. Do check it out. Do check it out. And from here, it only goes up. It only goes up. So yes, I do recommend that you do check out our X because that's where all the latest updates reside, guys. So yeah. Um, and yeah, man, just basically latest updates on Pixie. This is what's happening, and it updates, hourly, regularly, so you will never be behind on what's happening within the community as well as Pixie, guys. So yeah, just do check out our X, please. If you have any more questions, please do let me know. Do let me know if you have any more questions, and I'm happy to answer them as best as I can. Yeah, let me see. Let me just check out the chat. Okay, I don't see any questions as of now. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys some time to type because I know typing takes a long time. It takes a long time. So I'm just gonna give you guys a couple of seconds, just to gather your thoughts. If y'all have any questions about Pixie, the community, or just anything in general, I'm happy to answer. I really am happy to answer anything you guys have in mind. Just gonna give y'all a couple of seconds just to gather thoughts. Okay, there's a question from Luja. What are the plans for the NFT long term? Do you know? Guys, as of currently, I do not know anything about that yet, but I will go find. Okay, let me actually write it down so that I can update you guys tomorrow about everything. Let me write it down real quick. So I can go find out from my seniors. What are the plans for the NFT long term? Okay, let me just write it down real quick. What are the plans for the NFT long term? Okay, Lucia, I will go find that out for you. I literally wrote your question down and we'll get your answer today and we'll come back tomorrow and just give you a whole discussion and what's been happening, what's been on the talks. And yeah, guys, if any of you have any other questions, just do let me know. I'm open to answering them the best that I can. If I can't, then I will do research and go find out from my other team members who are on the developing board of Pixie. So yeah, guys, I'm just the host. I'm just here to, keep the Pixie vibes going every day. But yeah, I will try my best to answer your questions. But anyways, if there's nothing more, I guess we've come to the end of the live, guys. Today's live. And I want you guys to remember something. You are early. You are part of something that began in 2009 without even knowing it. A hidden fairy forgotten in the archives of Bitcoin, now rising again on one of the strongest chains on Web3. So you're not just watching a project, you are shaping a legacy. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for spending this time. Thank you for believing. And I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Where are you guys from so that I can check out your guys' time zones so that I can announce different time zones around the world? Because I know South African time is 9 p.m. South African time, 8 p.m. Nigerian time for our Nigerian viewers, and then for our South African viewers, it's 9 p.m. South African time, and then just in general, all around the world, it's 2 p.m. Eastern time, which is Eastern New York time, basically for those of you who are on the east side of the world. And then, yeah, the West is usually around 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. If you are in Europe, I think Central Europe, I think it's 10 p.m. Not too sure. I'll have it checked out. But yeah, I would love to know where you guys are from so that I can announce the correct times for wherever you are watching from. But sure, guys, thank you for being here and spending your time with me. I really love interacting with you guys. I really love being here with you guys. Please do engage more and tell everybody about Pixie, your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your dog, your cat, your fish, and the birds flying outside, guys. But yeah, my share signing out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, stay curious, and stay magical. Bye. Bye, guys. See you guys tomorrow.